Hi. In many document pipelines, a single page can contain multiple independent documents. Detecting and segmenting each of them can be very tedious. The problem is that in many different business processes, you need to detect and extract the content of each of them separately because, for instance, on expense management use cases, your user can send a single A4 page with 6 receipts, like this example. This comes from probably a scanner where the user put all the receipts together and generated a PDF from there. Another use case could be ID documents. If you need to onboard your users to use your service or for KYC reasons, sometimes you need to process the ID documents of your users. And they will send you a PDF file with the driver's license and the passport on the first page. And why not front and the back of an ID document on the second page. Now, let's see how to do that automatically with Mindy. Once you're logged in on mindy.com, you can create a new document AI model that will do that for you. Scrolling down to the bottom of the page, you will see the document utilities type of models. And the one we're looking for is the crop. Here, the prompt asks us the different classes that we need to configure. You can see a class as a document type you're expecting on your A4 page. In the first example, we are expecting receipts. So I'm just going to add one class, which is receipt. Once I created the utility, we land on the live test section. And here we can drag and drop documents to see the model in action. As you can see here, the model has successfully detected 6 receipts. You can download each of them separately. And more importantly, if you wanted to automate this and to embed this model in your workflow, you just have to use our API that can be integrated in any language or using no-code tools such as May.com or Anaden. In the JSON response, you have a list of crops. Each of them contains a class, receipt, in this example, and the position of each of those objects inside the page. You have everything you need to then cut the image or the PDF and create a single file from there. Let's now go back to our second use case, which is the ID documents. Same process for creating the model. I'm going to add a crop model, but the difference here is that we will add different classes. First one for passports, second one for driver's license, and 2 others, one for ID front and ID back. I can now add documents with the front and the back of an ID and see how the model will perform. So as you can see here, it has identified the ID front and the ID back. I can also test with the PDF file. And we are expecting 2 objects, the driver's license and the passport. And we have our driver's license and the passport. As mentioned before, on the JSON response, you have everything you need to process those files. And going to the documentation, you have the sample codes for integrating everything very easily in your applications. Thank you for your time, and I hope this video was useful to you. Feel free to check out our documentation or to ask anything. The team will be very happy to answer any of your questions.